This is a 2009 Dodge Charger. Among the many superb features on this Dodge there are power windows, cruise control, a CD player which can read MP3s, front multi-stage airbags, child safety seat anchors, and this vehicle has just over 32,000 miles. It features a 2.7-liter 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. This car won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Classic Chevrolet Cadillac is conveniently located at 3855 Eastex Frwy in Beaumont. Visit us on the web at classicchevroletbeaumont.com, your favorite hometown dealer.